Hello, my name is Silke Rose West. I'd love to share with you today how to make a grass doll. These little dolls can be made just out of a handful of grass. Now I went walking down to the Rio Grande and I was all alone, and I thought, wouldn't it be fun to make myself a little companion? So I found a bundle of grass that I cut with my scissors. Now I'm going to separate my grass, and I'm going to make one little bundle for my head, one little bundle for the arms, and one little bundle for my legs. So I have 3 little bundles, and I have some grass left that I'll use to tie. And I also was looking for a little stick that can serve as a spine, or a little mullein. Whatever is around that's like dry and a little bit stiff will work. Today I'm going to use my little mullein here. So first I'm going to take my bundle that's my head. And let's see, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stalks of grass here. And I'm going to turn them into a knot by making a round circle. Going through, it's like a slip knot. And pulling it tight. Let's see. And there we have our little head. Now I'm gonna put my spine in there. Let's see, let's use actually the stick instead of the mullein. And hang on. And the stick could also break, so I have to be a little bit careful. Sometimes I'm a little bit too rough. You have to be very gentle. Grass dolls are very, very delicate. And now I'm going to find myself the next little bundle of grass. And I'm going to take 2 of the ends on one side, 2 of the ends on the other side. See? See, make sure I have enough that it makes a good proportion for my head. So you can see that here. Now I have that. And next goes the bundle that will turn into the legs. And again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blades of grass. And now I'm gonna twist them in half and put them over the head, behind the arms, and down in the front. This might be a little bit difficult to see once more, because I'm going to do 2 bundles here for the legs to make sure they're nice and sturdy. I'll take a long stretch of grass, put it in the front, and bend it halfway to the back. Here we go. You can see that now. Now, my little doll doesn't have the need to stand. I play with her more in a way of holding her and letting her dance to the river with the river fairies, using my imagination. And just like little children, they love that. When you make a little doll, make them come alive in your hands. Here is again a long piece of grass that I'm going to use as a belt. I'm going to tie it around the waistline right underneath the arms, if you can see that. And now I'm going to take another blade of grass and I'm going to make the hands over here. One. And I'm just doing a slip knot again, very gently, so the grass doesn't break. And it's the beauty about grass. It's so delicate, and it reminds us to be delicate. Sometimes I'm a little bit rough and gruff. And these grass dolls remind me to be gentle. And they also remind me that I'm not alone. Even during COVID, and even if I'm out and about all alone, during all my years of teaching, the little children always loved it when a little grass doll appeared. And so this little grass doll here, we'll give her a name. Maybe we can call her maybe she could be Margarita, and she loves these lands because she loves to play with her other plant friends. Only one that's nearby she's not so fond of, just the poison ivy. You gotta always watch out where you pick your grass. Make sure that all the plants around you are kind and gentle. So here is the way you can make your little grass doll, and I hope that this video helped you. So enjoy making your grass doll, and you can listen to the podcast Into a Little Grass Doll Story to learn more. Okay, goodbye.